Yo my people, yes, as you see in the title of this video, is the start of the journey, and currently I have 150k in eval performance accounts with Apex. But before I explain to you guys why we're doing this, I need to explain to you guys why am I creating this video. The reason I'm creating this video is to stay consistent. It's something I've been struggling with in my trading career. End of this September, I'll be 1 year into my trading career. 1 year, I've got some payouts. And yeah, I've been very inconsistent with the payouts though. I haven't been getting these life-changing payouts. I've been getting inconsistent payouts, and I haven't had a payout for about 2-3 months now. I haven't had a single payout. I've just been blowing back to back to all right now, blah 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 blah. Yes, I blew some accounts, but this is the past. I want to let go of the past and I just want to focus on the future. I have gotten multiple payouts, and I have gotten some payouts that I can show you here. So not very significant, but okay guys, I haven't been really consistent, and this is the reason why I'm creating this video, and this is the reason why I am doing this challenge, which is a 16-day challenge, trying to get my most significant payout. It's 16 days. If I stick to my plans, 2 break-evens, get off the charts, 1 win, get off the charts, 1 loss, get off the charts, you're done for the day. If I can stick to this plan, I am guaranteed for starting from today, 16 days in, by the end of this month, I'll have a payout. Guaranteed, I'll have a payout. And it'll be a significant payout, and it'll be a good amount, and it will boost my trading, and it will boost me to go and just reinvest and try to get more and more and more. So 16-day challenge, every single day, follow my rules, stick to my plan, get my trade recaps in, and show you and upload you videos to you guys with full transparency, full authenticity, full everything. So no bluff, no nothing. If I lose, I'm going to show you. If I tilt, I'm going to show you. I've got literally 150k account, Apex performance account, and I'll be trading that. Yes, it's a big account, so I shouldn't really fail it. I'm doing this video just to focus more, just to be more worthy of my trades, and to filter out my trades, because I'm going to show it to you guys, and I've got people that held me accountable, which is you guys, and I got myself to hold myself accountable by video proof, so I don't tilt, I don't fuck around, or I don't blow any evals. But today was a Friday. It was a Friday, but now it's 3 a.m. because I'm trying to figure out how to flip and upload one video file, how to transfer Windows from Windows to flipping iPhone. It was so long, but I managed to do it, and I managed to edit this video and everything and post it on YouTube so you guys can see it. But yeah, this was it's 3 a.m. I really should be sleeping, but I just wanted to create this video before I sleep so I don't flipping procrastinate tomorrow and not do it, and just sabotage myself. So yeah, but today was a Friday as well, and I'm going to show you guys a trade recap of the day that you can watch, and then we're done for the day. And then guess what, we banged and we won, so bang. Anyways, that's done. Let's go check the recap. Booyah. The trade that I took today to make the legacy account go to $108 in profit, as you guys can see right there, 100. Let me see if I can get my executions. I don't know why it doesn't just, yeah, it didn't show me execution works, but yeah, I did execute, as you can see the profits, guys. So coming into the day, I marked out the 5-minute high, 5-minute low, first 5 minute of the New York AM session, 9:30 AM high, 9:30 AM low, first 5-minute candle. And coming to the day, just before the day, I saw that price went extremely up and reacted with the Judy swing. Like here, I missed this trade. I wanted to take this trade, but came and tapped into this. And coming into the day, I was neutral. I was like, if the highs of this gets taken and this gets taken, of course, I'm going to try to look for longs and continuation up higher, because we have an equal high. We have equal highs. As you can see, I've put my limit. If you check the 4-hour, yeah, we have relative equals high, like a lot. Like look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna tell you the reason why the trade. Okay, we have relative equal highs, and this is why I was neutral, because we had LR down and data wick to the low. So we had NFP today as well, and we had this uh, data wick, data wick right here that I was targeting if I was gonna go bearish. And coming into the day, the first 5 minute candle literally went in and manipulated into this 5 minute FEG, as you guys, into this 5 minute FEG, which is also the OTE of this range, which is literally exactly OTE at some, yeah, above 50% in a nice premium area for us to sell at. So when price came into there, I waited for price. I dropped into the 1 minute time frame. So we're inside our 5 minute fair value gap. I waited price. So price went in, tapped in, rejected hard, then accumulated another delivery, because if this 5 minute fair value gap was strong enough, it would have took us straight down, gave us a break of structure, but it never did, or market structure shift, but it never did. So I waited. This. I did not enter. Yes, I could have got this 1 minute inversion, but no, I didn't take it because we did not get a break of structure, and I was actually going to look for a break of structure or changing the state delivery for me to target this. So I waited, and then price went and manipulated higher, took out the first 5 minute high, swept it with a big candle. And what I've realized is that when the first 5 minute gets swept like this, it usually delivers. So the first 5 minute of the New York AM session got swept, gave us this inversion here, which I didn't take. I didn't take it on the inversion. Gave us this inversion here, but I could have took it on here, but I didn't take it because I was waiting for a change of state delivery, which didn't happen. But yeah, it didn't happen, so I didn't take it. So what I waited for was this sweep. As you can see, this is basically becomes a rejection block. This sweep swept it, went back. If this change delivery was high, if this if this inverse fair value gap was strong enough, it wouldn't let us go back all the way up there and carry on going up if it's strong enough. So what price did was went, tapped into the rejection block, which is this here, after the sweep in the first 5 minute, also tapping into the 1 minute FEG, and then coming back down, which is in the OT of the range, blah blah blah. Sorry, 3 minutes. Yeah, my bad. I ain't got the premium subscription, guys, so bear with me. Yeah, tapped into the 3 minutes and the 1 minute and the 5 minute FEG, but you don't need to look a lot confident. Keep it simple. So this is what Brain was saying. Tapped in this rejection block, gave us this big displacement with a change in state delivery, which once we got that change in state delivery, I got my sell order in. I got my sell order in. Yeah, it was in between this candle here. It was a here, and I was just literally targeting the day low basically, and I was going for a nice, yeah, I was going for that, which we got it, and this was the first trade that I took, which was, yeah, this delivery here was it was making me go nuts and crazy, but yeah, we came close to break even, but I ended up, yeah, we came very close to break even, to be honest. I don't think I got filled here. I think I got filled a bit higher, so I got close to break even. Never got break even, and then went and took out our TP and we banged some profits. I hate this. I need to get a subscription, guys. I'm sorry. Then the second trade, which made me like 300. Now let me show you. So I saw this delivery as Ella. This delivery was so weak, and I was starting to actually think that I am the liquidity, and this shit's just shit ass delivery. And usually when delivery slows like this happens, it just runs through, which is, you can call it low resistance liquidity, which is also here as well. So when I saw this, and once we tapped into the OTE of this range, I saw a I saw a 1 minute inversion and also a 3 minute inverse fair value gap. And I would be so stupid to not take this trade for a 1-to-1. And I did take the trade for a 1-to-1, a buy position, because I seen a huge one as soon as the 3 minute candle. I tapped it in there, and I was mainly just targeting for 1-to-1. I was targeting the 5 minute FVG because I wanted to be safe. Yeah, I was targeting the 5 minute FVG, and within the first 5 minute we got it. So yeah, this was the second trade. So that was the two trades I took, which was we swept the 5 minute high, gave us an inversion, I didn't take inversion because that inversion wasn't clean enough because they didn't give me a chain of state delivery. If this candle body closed below this here, I would have definitely took the trade and came. But I wanted just more displacement and a bit more reaction, which this was a good reaction. But then I waited, tapped into the rejection block, and once we tapped into the rejection block, it was a huge displacement. I saw all this, I saw this play out, and I saw this play out, and I was just waiting for it to, like, you see this one, two, three candles. I was just waiting for it to close below this, and I think I entered somewhere around here, in between this candle, and I entered there, and I got it in, and I got a sell in, and I knew my target, and I knew this was the target. This was the lowest it can go because this is the data lows. Data lows, like most of the time, they get hit. Data highs, data lows, beautiful drawn liquidity, and I love it. And then the second trade, 1 to 1. Yes, 1 to 1. I didn't want to go big because I'm already done trading for the day. I made like 500 profits and I just made another 300, so I'm fine with that. And then we came in, gave us a 3 minute inversion. I tapped on this one. I literally, yeah, I was gonna say I put a buy limit actually, not on the 3 minute close. I put a buy limit right in this FVG here, and myself was like with this order block, like yeah. And then I just was targeting this low resistance liquidity, and I just wanted this, and I knew this was gonna play out because of the low resistance liquidity, and that we've had the 5 minute FEG there, and also that the new 4 hour candle was there. So I was like, yeah, this is definitely gonna get taken. So I wasn't hesitant. I didn't go break even or anything. I just instantly just went straight to my TP, and yeah, we made 800. So that is it. Today, Friday, 800. I might be posting this on a Saturday, so I'm sorry guys. I know this just came on my mind to just post this so I can hold myself accountable. But yeah, crazy. I know, but that is it. That was our trade of the day. 2 trades, $800 in profit. I've got 16 days to pay out, and I'm doing a 16 days challenge, and I will keep you guys updated. And I've got 150k legacy account from Apex. So hopefully we get this payout and we do not crash out until. Let's go.